All right, this is a potential hack for the upcoming Erin Condren binders that she just provided us a sneak peek. Now, this is just an idea that I had because I have added rings to other binders that I preferred over what was provided previously, so this is just my idea. As you can see in the top of the picture here, there are two rivets holding that ring mechanism in place. Now, if you pop those two, they will then release that ring mechanism from the predetermined book style binder that she has provided here. You can then take these binder rings, or rather ring mechanisms, and install them in other planners that you would rather utilize. It's not a difficult process. This is actually something that I've done before, and as soon as I can get my hands on the Erin Condren binder edition, I am going to be trying this hack. Now, if you're not comfortable doing this, that is totally fine. I'm not telling anyone that they should or shouldn't do this, but this is just something that I thought of when I saw some of the posts in the group. So once I get my hands on the binder, then I will let you know, and I will be making a short video on how I will be doing this process step by step. Enjoy!